In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll down to access apps. Then click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage, like a browser app. Now just tap on your new downloaded one to apply it, and when you finished, click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!